Today we are going to be showing you how to lay a patio with a step-by-step process that is easy to follow.
All you'll need is Sika FastFix, some patio tiles, sand, a shovel. You'll also need a brush, bucket and water. Don't forget your sponge. You'll need personal protective equipment, a rubber mallet and a tuck pointer. Before you begin, you'll need to ensure the ground is prepped for laying the slabs. A good free draining sub-base is essential to ensure the slabs don't move over time. Lay the slabs level to the mortar bed using a rubber mallet and level. Continue laying the slabs until you have covered the area. Once you have laid all your slabs and the mortar is set, you can now use Sika FastFix All Weather to fill the gaps in your patio. This product comes in a variety of colours to match your slabs. Wet the entire area first and let the water drain away between the cracks. You don't want standing water in the joints prior to applying FastFix. Sika FastFix is ready mixed, so you can use the product straight away. Start by pouring the product between the cracks and use a brush to work the product into the joints evenly. Then use a tuck pointer to compact the product. Top up the cracks and compact down again until level. Brush away any excess product and leave to set for around 6 to 12 hours, longer if the temperature is under 15 degrees.
We hope that you found this tutorial useful and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.